Here trying to jack me out the Supra, man. Come on, where's the deal at? What this guy? You're trying to make a deal.
We made a gentleman's agreement. A gentleman's agreement. I said if he ever.
So what's the deal?
So this beautiful Supra that we just completed for Tony. I said if he ever decides to get rid of this car,
Tony has first right of refusal.
I have first right of refusal.
But the part of the deal that they're not talking about is me getting the black Supra.
What black Supra?
The black Supra.
What black Supra?
The black Supra. The one with the wheels.
Which one are you talking about?
We know what I'm talking about. Hey,
you know
so
about
now the
Supra?
deal,
I
we
ain't
got to
seen
go
the
back
black
on the deal.
Supra.
So now I get the first right of refusal.
One strike, two strikes, three strikes, you out. Better get yourself together, time is running out. One strike, two strikes, three strikes, you out. Being saved by the spirits, what we about? You caught me on my swing, but I bunted. Home run, only win. There's no stunting, I'm signed to the Most High. No rumple, still skin. I was born to sin, death is the end. We all kin. Language couldn't be life without the pen. You either brought your paper or striking out and back on the bench. Switch to the magic of Coldplay. Rock bands do surgery, taking off band-aids. Every person listening is sick, not believing it's an illness. You picked even gold chains on your neck is slavery. See the connect to consciousness or righteousness, not just stubbornness. I'm a player who played the game, but I struck out. Switch teams, mindset now, spiritual things. Yeah, so when that devil throw his pitch, I'm swinging to the sky. But
Get it harder than that.
one strike, two strikes, three strikes, you out. Better get yourself together, time is running out. One strike, two strikes, three strikes, you out. Being saved by the spirits, what we about? One strike, two strikes, three strikes, you out. But you yell with the devils in your mouth. One strike, two strikes.